Wellcraft 28 Explorer, let's go discover it. Follow us. Let's go right away to see the interior of this fantastic boat. It's very easy to access from the dock. As you can see, there is also a step built directly into the gunwale. They really thought of everything. Wellcraft wanted to create a boat that is as similar as possible or identical to the one in your dreams. In fact, there is the possibility of various configurations. Today we are on the Explorer 28 Barracuda configuration, so basically for fishing. In this cockpit, we have the live wells right here in front of me, looking at the engines. If by chance I want to relax for a moment, I can relax, watch the rods to see if they are fishing, if there's a bite or not. I have the whole situation under control. But look at this spectacular bow. So we have the possibility of having this horseshoe-shaped sofa, which also becomes an excellent sun pad facing the direction of travel. By completing it with the central part, I can transform it all into a single sun pad or put a table there. So many gems, so many small details of this boat and its finishes. In fact, we have not only the electric windlass mounted here, but also the possibility of storing 4 fenders, so you can take them off the sides and finally put them somewhere without them always getting in the way, as I know happens to you in this position. So everything has been thought out and everything is 100% usable. Different from the usual, definitely different. It is a bow cabin accessible from the outside. So in this bow area where we have the horseshoe-shaped sofa, inside we have a real sleeping cabin. Inside the very spacious cabin, in fact, I can raise both my arms without any hindrance. I can sleep there, just lay down the steps leading down to the sleeping area, and everything transforms into a single bed. We made a video in Dusseldorf. You just need to search for Wellcraft 28 Bellandi and you will find the other very detailed video, including the cabin interior. There certainly couldn't be a lack of a refrigerator here at the bow, but unlike many boats, the hinges aren't just simple hinges. They lift the seat, bringing it completely into opening mode so you can comfortably access this fantastic icebox, which by the way, we even have some Coke inside. Twin engine or single engine version depending on your choice and your needs. This version is a twin engine version, 2 fantastic 200 horsepower Mercury engines each. The important thing is the layout and the space that Wellcraft leaves to be able to access everywhere. In fact, the stern platforms are very, very large. In fact, I am still on the boat, even if I am outside, and the passageway I can easily pass even in front of the engines without needing to climb anywhere, and in this way I can access the left side of the boat. Let's go see the interior as well. I can go inside, open it up like a real yacht. I can decide where to lock the boat, if I want a bit of air or not, or close it completely. And then, as you can see, it's like always, there's also the VHF on. We are in port. The heights are enormous. Double screen, as you can see. Mercury central unit, electronic throttles to monitor, control, and completely steer the boat. We have all the accessories. Apart from being very elegant and sporty, they are also conveniently usable. Look at the elegance we have here. But let's be clear, is this Wellcraft 28 Explorer suitable for everyone? No, only for special people or those who find the maximum from this type of boat. In fact, if you are really tired of putting on covers, closing covers, and stressing out before going out on the boat and after you've been out on the boat, but what you really love is being able to enjoy fishing and sailing, here you arrive, open the door, turn the keys, start the engines, and off you go. You do the same thing when you return home, so if you are really tired of putting up awnings, covers, roofs, a solution like this is the ultimate solution. Another thing that is just as important, 12 months a year, often boats are abandoned or started, let's say not abandoned, but in any case, you start to lose a bit of passion. Why? Because it's cold in the winter. With this type of boat, I can do my sport, whether it's fishing or excursions, fully covered in winter, so when it's very cold, or by opening all the sides and even the top roof. Plus, we also have air vents in this area, another gem, obviously, of this beautiful boat, and I have all the air I need for the summer too. And with 400 horsepower, why would I even tell you the boat is slow? No, it's not a slow boat and certainly not extreme or dangerous. No, it's very safe, 2 engines, so you can go many miles from the coast. Plus, if you want to do it quickly and fast, guys, it is a sports boat, if you will. Yes, but enough talk now. We are in Cannes, in the waters of the French Riviera. I can't wait to get out on the water, or rather to drive it since we're already in the water. This time, I'll attach the kill switch to my thigh. The important thing is that it's connected because you can never be too safe. That said, all that's left for me to say is, let's put it in gear, floor the throttle, and go have some fun. Follow us! Let's start with some technical navigation data, not about the boat itself. We are cruising at a speed of 80 knots. The best condition is perhaps around 20. Let's do this. 20 knots at 20 knots, 48 liters per hour for both engines, 3,200 RPM per engine. It's a fantastic pace for covering many miles in a level of comfort that a Wellcraft like this provides. It's spectacular. The reduced or very low fuel consumption of this boat and the performance it delivers are also due, among other things, to the type of hull. In fact, we have 3 strakes or 3 steps under the hull, which ensure that the boat drags less on the water, glides better, and is faster without much friction, creating the best conditions for sailing safely and at speed. But let's also see 400 horsepower, these two 200 horsepower Mercury engines each, how fast they go. So let's go. Hold on, Davide, hold on tight. Wow, what a beautiful roar they have. And well, not bad at all. 33, 35, 38, 40.5. My goodness, 42, 43 and a half knots. It's still going up. 5,300 RPM. It goes up to 5,500. The people on board with me are asking me to slow down. Since this is a planing boat, let's see how long it takes to get on plane. I'll do it again. 3, 2, 1. Since this is a planing boat, let's see how many seconds it takes us to get on plane, obviously. So neutral, I engage the gear at idle, engine is ready, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4 seconds pass. In just those 4 seconds, we are already fully on plane and ready to go. Well, not bad at all. I hope you enjoyed this sea trial as well, this time out at sea. We are in Cannes at the Wellcraft Sea Trials open to the public. First and foremost, we had fun, but so did our clients who came along with us. Wellcraft 28, Barche Bellandi, is obviously an official Wellcraft dealer, and consequently, you can order the boat whenever you want, make it yours soon, and realize a dream you've been thinking about for years. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, all you have to do is subscribe to this very channel. In the description of this video, you will find all the details of the boat, the ones I was talking about while we were recording this video. In addition to those, you will also find all the references, our contact information to call us, send us an email, schedule an appointment, and why not, take the opportunity to come visit us to discuss the best solution and the best configuration for your next boat together. We would like to thank the entire Wellcraft team who hosted us here in Cannes and Davide who worked hard to make this video. All that's left for me to say is fair winds to you and always keep an eye on the weather.